Did you know that you can shut down your computer instantly just by typing a simple command in the command prompt? Shutdown/s/t0. This command tells Windows to shut down your computer immediately. So if I hit enter right now, my PC would power off instantly. But what if we wanted to do the same thing using Python? Let's find out. We start by importing a few built-in Python modules: Platform, Subprocess, and Eshlex. Don't worry, you don't need to install anything extra for this. They all come with Python by default. The function we write is called shutdown now, and it takes one optional argument called dry run. This basically means test mode. If it's set to true, the code won't actually shut down your computer. It'll just show you what command it would run. Inside the function, we first figure out which operating system you're using: Windows, Linux, or macOS. Based on that, Python builds the right shutdown command for your system. For example, if you're on Windows, it prepares the shutdown/s/t0 command. On Linux or macOS, it uses different commands because every system handles power control in its own way. Then we check whether dry run is true or not. If it is, Python simply prints the command so you can see what would happen without actually turning off your computer. That's perfect for testing safely. But if dry run is false, then Python goes ahead and runs that shutdown command, meaning your computer will power off immediately. When you run this script with dry run set to true, you'll see the command printed on your screen. Nothing dangerous happens. It's just Python showing you the result. But if you change it to false and run it again, your computer will shut down right away. So that's how easy it is to control your computer's power using Python. If you enjoyed this and want to keep learning cool, practical Python tricks, make sure to check out the other videos on the channel.